Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best eye caption script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel for next video and next update. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, and if you not join best binary and forex broker, link in my description box, simply click and start forex and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. Okay, here is a script signal by down and market. I have placed down trade for 1 minute. Let's see the result. Okay, here is OTC market, very risky market, very bad market. Okay, and let's see my indicators working, is not working. Okay, let's see. Okay, market going down but up. Okay, let's see. Okay, 5 4 3 2. Oh man, please. Oh shit. Oh man. Okay, here